If you've been thinking about buying your first home, whether it's a condo or a house, this video is for you. I'm a former broker who's worked on hundreds of real estate deals, and I'm going to share with you the top 3 things that you need to do before buying a property. First and foremost, you need to start off by saving your down payment, which is money that you personally contribute to the purchase of your property. In Canada, the minimum down payment ranges from 5 to 20% of the purchase price. For example, if you bought a $500,000 condo, then your minimum down payment at 5% would be $25,000. Now, a big expense that I see a lot of buyers forgetting about is closing costs. And depending on where you buy, those can definitely add up. Closing costs are legal, administrative, and tax fees that you pay upon closing or taking possession of your property. These can generally be anywhere from 1.5% to 4% of the purchase price. So on a $500,000 condo, that could range from $7,000 to $20,000 of closing costs. This is money that you need in addition to your down payment. Lastly, when you're thinking about buying a property, you want to pay close attention to your credit score. Typically, the better your score, the better of a rate that you can qualify for on your mortgage. And this could be the difference between saving thousands of dollars to tens of thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Having a higher credit score, for example in the 700s, can typically qualify you for better rates. And this is the easiest way to save big money.